up there if we can, Stephen, and take a look at that one particular arm. Let's go from that back to treatment for a moment. Look at that hook shape. Something that looks close to that.
And here's the latest. The tornado warning remains in effect until 7:15 for central Shelby County. Just a moment ago, a trained weather spotter reported a tornado. It was located near Midtown Memphis, moving to the east at 40 miles per hour. Midtown Memphis, Millington, Lucy, Woodstock, Spring Lake, Cordova, and White City.
Tornado right there.
Tornado is going to be there just within moments. It was often faster than you can drive, folks. That's how fast these storms are moving. It's still moving to the east at 40 miles per hour, so tornado warning remains in effect until 7:15.
Well, so a trained spotter
coming right across the river now.
Reporting the funnel cloud. He very well may have been looking at what we just looked at, and what we're also concerned about, and what we believe we're looking at, is this particular small crap on the backside of this system. This 40 and 51, maybe moving towards the Millington area. Let's go back to Skyfox. We have about reached our limit on the Skyfox camera, touching the First Tennessee Bank building. You can see a little bit of that one arm of that system as it's elongating. And folks, if you're joining us for American Idol, once again, if you weren't here with me earlier when I said this, our plan is to get you back in American Idol very quickly. We have a tornado warning for Shelby County that goes until 7:15, and you're looking at part of the reason. This is marching across the Mississippi River, just north of the city of Memphis, including portions of the city of Memphis, moving towards Millington. The tornado warning active until 7:15. We do not expect to preempt all of American Idol. You've got a 2-hour show ahead of you. We do expect to get you into that show very soon, but we have a bigger commitment to safeguarding the community, keeping you safe. Sometimes whether you want that safety or not, we want to give it to you. This is what's happening outside. The tornado warning marching across northern Shelby County. Let's turn that camera a little bit back to the left if we can while I'm going to zoom in here. Much of that rain now beginning to enter north of Bartlett to the northwest, moving towards the Millington area. And Munford. Munford, you are next in its path. Brighton, you're awfully close. Now, Arlington, you are in the path of this particular polygon, but it's this northern tier where we see that little hook, right here. That's what we were looking at on Skyfox, the last portion of that. Let's turn that camera a little bit more to the right, Steve, if we can. So I don't want to lose it back there. A little bit more. Let's go until we hit almost.
Reports, Joey, you were asking about storm damage about 1 mile east of West Memphis. There have been power lines down due to thunderstorm winds. So strong winds have blown power lines down, and that's been reported from a National Weather Service.